Good morning. Today we are performing our second practical, that is to study macroscopic and macroscopic characteristics of given sample of fruit. In that we are studying coriander fruit. In Marathi, the coriander is called as dhane. So it is a spice. It is an ingredient of Indian spice. So coriander dhane. That coriander, biological source of that coriander, it is a dried fruits of Coriandrum sativum. Coriandrum sativum belonging to family Umbelliferae, and one prominent characteristic of this Umbelliferae family is they will contain a volatile oil. So these are the drugs having a prominent aroma due to presence of volatile oil. So the volatile oil are the drugs. Volatile oils are the oil having prominent aroma, and they will represent active chemical or essential chemical constituent of that plant. As they have prominent aroma, and we are calling them as an aromatic oil also. And as this oil will evaporate when exposed to open air, we are calling them as a volatile oil or ethereal oil. आपण त्यांना volatile oil किंवा ethereal oils म्हणतो. Number of families contain this volatile oil, but the prominent family, that is Umbelliferae family, it will represent the number of plants having this volatile oil. So the one example of Umbelliferae family, it is a coriander, and biological source of this coriander, as we had studied in our theory syllabus, it is a dried fruits of Coriandrum sativum belonging to family Umbelliferae. हे काय तर त्या प्लांटचे सीड्स किंवा ड्रायड फ्रूट्स म्हणजे आपण काय म्हणतोय कोरिएंडर म्हणजे धने. सो द कोरिएंडर फ्रूट मॅक्रोस्कोपिकली इट इज मॅक्रोस्कोपी स्टडी ऑफ मॅक्रो कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक जे आपल्याला ओपन आईने दिसतात, दोज कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक विच कॅन बी इझिली डिटरमाइंड बाय यूजिंग आवर सेन्स ऑर्गन, दैट characteristic are called as a macroscopic characteristic or organoleptic characteristics. Which are those characteristics? So the coriander fruit, it is a yellowish in color. It is yellowish in color. त्याचा कलर आहे, it is yellowish in color, having a prominent aroma. Aroma characteristic aromatic smell है. It is having a characteristic aromatic smell, and that aromatic smell is due to presence of volatile oil in this coriander. The coriander contains volatile oil like coriandrol. Main constituent याचा volatile oil आहे coriandrol. So the biological source है Coriandrum sativum belonging to family Umbelliferae, and the main constituent of that Coriandrum sativum, it is a coriandrol. Main constituent are volatile oil. In volatile oil, coriandrol is present in a maximum amount. So this coriandrol or this volatile oil, they are responsible for prominent aroma of this coriander. They are yellowish in color. त्यांचा कलर yellowish आहे, having prominent aroma and taste characteristic taste आहे त्यांना, आणि they are used in preparation of spices. मसाल्याचे पदार्थ बनवण्यासाठी आपण यांना काय करतो, यूज करतो. मग पहा coriander, it is dried fruits of Coriandrum sativum belonging to Umbelliferae family, and having yellowish color, characteristic aroma due to presence of volatile oil in them, and characteristic taste. Okay, these coriander fruit which are visually seen, they having a prominent stylopod at their top. त्यांच्या फ्रूटला काय prominent stylopod आहे, and below stylopod there is a presence of primary and secondary ridges on fruit. The primary ridges, those ridges which are wavy, ज्या ridges wavy आहेत त्यांना आपण म्हणतो primary ridges. So those ridges which are straight, we are calling them as a secondary ridges. Apart from the stylopod, primary and secondary ridges, coriander fruit also show presence of small stalk. त्याला छोटेसे काय आहे, dead आहे. Okay, so coriander fruit, it is yellowish in color, having a prominent stylopod at top, and it will also show on its surface presence of primary and secondary ridges. Those ridges which are wavy, they are primary ridges. Those ridges which are straight, they are secondary ridges, and they are having a small stalk. So sometimes these coriander fruit naturally exist in a whole form. काही वेळेस हे fruit whole form मध्ये exist होतात naturally. आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो क्रीमोकार्पिक फ्रूट म्हणतोय. बट इन सम टाइम दिस कोरिएंडर फ्रूट इट विल एक्झिस्ट इन अ हाफ पोर्शन. जर हे फक्त हाफ पोर्शन मध्ये एक्झिस्ट असेल याला म्हणतात मेरिकार्पिक फ्रूट. इन मेरिकार्पिक फ्रूट इन क्रीमोकार्पिक फ्रूट two half portions are joined together with the help of one tissue. whole fruit मध्ये इन क्रीमोकार्पिक फ्रूट two मेरिकार्प दोन मेरिकार्प एकमेकांना जॉईन केलेले असतात त्या स्मॉल टिश्यूनी आणि त्या स्मॉल टिश्यूला म्हणतात आपण कार्पोफोर म्हणतो. ओके. इन क्रीमोकार्पिक फ्रूट two half मेरिकार्प्स are joined together with the help of कार्पोफोर. if that fruit will exist in a whole form then we are calling that fruit as a cremocarpic fruit. But sometimes that coriander fruit will exist in only half portion. In half portion to separate half portion such cases of fruit are called such type of fruit is called as a mericarpic fruit. जर whole असेल तर आपण त्याला cremocarpic म्हणतोय. जर दोन half portion असतील तर आपण त्याला काय म्हणतोय mericarpic type of fruit. So the coriander fruit it naturally exists in a cremocarpic form as well as a mericarpic form. So, or sometimes the cremocarpic form when pressure is applied to cremocarpic whole form of this coriander, when pressure is applied to whole fruit of this coriander it will divide it into two mericarp. काही वेळेस naturally पण exist होतात तर काही वेळेस after applying small pressure in between our fingers that coriander fruit is broken down into two equal parts or two mericarp. So it is a naturally cremocarpic but may exist in a mericarpic form. It is naturally cremocarpic but may exist in the form of mericarp. Naturally cremocarp may exist in the form of mericarpic type of fruit असतो. When TS of this coriander fruit is taken by taking a horizontal section. आपण म्हणतो जर आपण त्या फ्रूटला horizontally कट केलं तर आपण त्याला म्हणतो transverse section. If we are cutting that fruit in this manner then it is called as a longitudinal section. In coriander fruit two half portion or two mericarps are joined together with the help of carpophore and when TS is taken horizontal section of a fruit paper it will show as it is a fruit. जर हे fruit आहे it will show presence of so the coriander as it is a fruit it will show presence of three layers. as it is a fruit आपण पाहिलं होतं fruit चे तीन लेयर असतात. the outermost layer it is called as epicarp. the layer present below epicarp it is a mesocarp and the innermost layer which encloses seed it is an endocarp. so as it is a fruit it will show presence of epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp tissue and that fruit will enclose seed. so seed will show presence of outermost testa and tegment which encloses endosperm. Endosperm will provide nutrition to developing embryo. In during development of embryo whole endosperm is consumed by developing seed. तर आपण त्याला म्हणतोय then non endospermic seed. after development of embryo endosperm remain intact or it is partly consumed by developing embryo then we are calling that seed as an endospermic seed. so the seed may be endospermic or non endospermic but here in case of coriander fruit encloses seed and that is seed having a endosperm. so coriander is a endospermic fruit. त्याच्यामध्ये endosperm intact present आहे after development of embryo म्हणून आपण त्यांना म्हणतो it is a endospermic seed. when the TS of that coriander fruit is taken in that TS will show presence of outermost fruit cover that is epicarp and below epicarp there is a presence of mesocarp. in between epicarp and mesocarp tissue it will show presence of small cavity which is distributed throughout the fruit. त्याच्या in between epicarp and mesocarp there is presence of small vacuole of cavity and that small vacuole of cavity is called as a याला काय म्हणतोय आपण vitae म्हणतोय. in vitae volatile oil is stored in a umbelliferae family. it is one of the prominent characteristics of umbelliferae family that it will show presence of vitae and that vitae will store volatile oil in coriander. coriander मतलब volatile oil which is having a prominent aroma that volatile oil is stored in a mesocarp. So the innermost tissue of fruit, it will show presence of endocarp. Endocarp, which is the innermost tissue of the coriander fruit, it will show presence of seed. Seed having the outermost covering, that is testa, and innermost covering tegma, and in between in a tegma endosperm endosperm is present, and that endosperm will provide nutrition to embryo. And this way you can this coriander fruit, it is a cremocarpic fruit, and a cremocarpic fruit means it will exist in a whole form, but sometimes it may exist in a mericarpic form, that is it is divided into two half equal parts, and the cremocarpic fruit, two mericarps are joined together with carpophore. In here it will also show presence of carpophore, which will join two mericarp. Those mericarps are joined to the tissue, that is called as a carpophore. It is seen in a TS. The TS is a carpophore tissue. Apart from this carpophore, it will show presence of testa, tegma, endosperm, and in coriander fruit here, presence of slavine kind of tissue is also there. The function of this slavine kind of tissue is that it will provide strength, it will provide mechanical strength to that fruit. That fruit has mechanical strength provided as a slavine kind of tissue. So the tears or transverse section of this coriander fruit show presence of epicarp, mesocarp, and endocarp. In between epicarpic tissue and mesocarpic tissue, there is the presence of lutein tissue. Lutein is a prominent characteristic of umbelliferae family, and that lutein will store त्याच्या lutein काय आता volatile oil. In endocarp innermost tissue will show presence of seed, and that seed contains testa, tegma, and endosperm. Apart from this characteristic of endosperm, it will also show presence of carpophore, which will join two mericarp. So those mericarp are joined to two from cremocarp. So the tissue is shown in a transverse section, and inside above this carpophore, the testa and tegma, and then outside of this carpophore, a cavity is present. Two cavities are present, and that cavity will store air. And the cavity मध्ये काय असते? Air असते. तर fish oil which is present in coriander is stored in a endosperm. They will store volatile oil, while endosperm will store. It will provide nutrition to embryo, as well as it will store fixed oil, and it will store also starch. Like starch आहे coriander fruit मध्ये, it is also stored in a endosperm. ते endosperm मध्ये आपल्याला काय झालेलं असतं दिसलं. So while during taking a to study microscopic characteristics of crude drug, we are boiling this crude drug, which is hard, using a flame and burner. By using burner and flame, we are boiling this crude drug to get soft the tissue. After boiling, if this crude will get cut easily, then stop the boiling, remove the container from flame, and try to take the TS or LS of that crude drug. If we are putting this crude drug in a longitudinal way, we are saying that it is a LS of crude drug, and if we are cutting this crude drug in a horizontally, then it is a transverse section of crude drug. So as a coriander, it is a cremocarpic fruit. It will naturally exist in a whole form, but by applying a small pressure, we can break down, or we can separate these two mericarp. These two mericarps. So it is a two mericarps which are joined together with the help of carpophore. For taking transverse section, we are cutting this coriander in a horizontal way. After cutting, or by taking a thin section of this crude drug, see in this way, this transverse section of crude drug, we have to mount this TS in a water or in a glycerine to avoid breakage of tissue due to air. If tissue present in this transverse section will get broken down due to dryness of this transverse section, we can't study the microscopic characteristic. So to avoid it, or to avoid damage to this transverse section, we are mounting this TS in water or in a glycerine. After Taking tears with the help of small brush, put this tissue on a glass slide using glycerin and water, and then observe it under microscope using either 45x lens or 10x or 100x. Generally, one lens is there for oil, to observe oil, and other two to observe the characteristics of the fruit drug. So as a coriander, it is a cremocarpic fruit. We can take whole tears of that fruit, or we can take either half portion of that fruit. टू मेरिकाम सेपरेट झालेले असतील तर त्या हाफ पोर्शनचा पण आपण टीएस घेऊ शकतो, किंवा आपण होल फ्रूटचा आपण टीएस घेऊ शकतो. आफ्टर माउंटिंग इट ऑन अ ग्लास साइड, ऑब्जर्व बाय यूजिंग आई पीस, वी कैन ऑब्जर्व डिफरेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ दैट फ्रूट ड्रग. इट विल शो here I am seeing the outermost epicarp, then the inner tissue mesocarp, and the innermost tissue, that is endocarp. In between epicarp and mesocarp there is a presence of vitae. This vitae in a coriander fruit, they will store volatile oil. The main constituent of volatile oil in a coriander, it is a coriandrol. So the vitae in a coriander, they will store a coriandrol. And apart from these vitae, coriander also coriander, as it is a fruit, it will show presence of seeds, and that seeds of coriander show presence of testa, tegmen, and innermost tissue, that is a endosperm, which we had studied in a transverse section of the drug. So in this way we can take the transverse as well as longitudinal section of this fruit drug by using this small instrument. And the help of it, we can cut any fruit drug in a transverse section way or in a longitudinal way. But to cut this fruit drug, we have to boil it in a water to get soft the tissue, to get essence in a cutting. आपल्याला कट करणं इझिली व्हावं यासाठी आपण काय करतो, ह्याला बॉईल करतो. आणि आफ्टर बॉइलिंग वी आर कटिंग इट इन इधर longitudinal way or either in a horizontal way. Then placing this cut portion or tears into water to avoid breakage of tissue, and then mount this tissue with the help of brush in glass side and observe under microscope using either 10x or 45x lens. We can see different characteristics of that fruit drug. So in this way we are studying the macroscopic and microscopic characteristics of that fruit.